One of the most basic rights that a patient has is the right to privacy. But some say those privacy laws might be putting first responders at risk. Andy Sheehan spoke with some first responders who are frustrated that they are not getting the information that they need. Andy.
Susan, first responders say they're in danger and flying blind, not knowing if they've transported patients with the coronavirus. They're on the front line of the battle, but firefighters and paramedics fear they're being kept in the dark, saying the state health department is violating federal law by not telling them if they've treated or transported someone with coronavirus.
If this federal law is not complied with, it could have catastrophic consequences because these first responders could unknowingly pass this disease to their family members, to their coworkers, and they could also unknowingly act as carriers when they go on calls from home to home.
Under a federal law, first responders must be told if they've come in contact with someone who later tests positive for an infectious disease. But the state health department says a more recent state law prevents them from disclosing the names and addresses of those patients. Still, the department says it is trying to keep first responders informed. Quote, "The Disease Control and Prevention Act limits information being released to only what is necessary to protect the health and well-being of Pennsylvanians. If a first responder was exposed to an individual who tested positive for COVID-19, we are working through our protocols to ensure that person is notified." Meanwhile, health officials are telling those first responders to treat all patients as if they are carrying the virus and use this second level of personal protective equipment to ensure their health and safety.
We're 2.5 weeks into this situation, still no answers.
But Pittsburgh Public Safety Director Wendell Hisrick and emergency management coordinators throughout the region say that advice falls short. They're not getting the information they need.
Right now, the information is still not being shared with us, and I share the concerns to protect our public safety community and the first responders.
Are you frustrated, sir?
I'm very frustrated with it.
Now, while not supplying the name of these patients, health officials say they are trying to inform first responders when they have transported a patient with the coronavirus. But public safety officials remain skeptical. Reporting live in Uptown, Andy Sheehan, KDKA News.